Hey guys, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel Let's Code and Solve by Newton School. I hope everything has been clear to you in previous tutorial that was for classes and objects in Python. Today we're going to study about what is assertion in Python. Before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for freshers, working professionals, and also for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and helps you to become amazing full-stack developer. And the best part is that Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until or unless you are placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's move to Newton School website. Here is a Newton School website where you can log in yourself and sign up. The top companies where you are placed is that is Topper, Snapdeal, Xiaomi, TechMint, Lenskart, and many more. Let's move to Newton School. What Newton School is all about, and starting with today's topic, that is assertion in Python. Now, what is assertion in Python and how assertion helps in Python to sort all the problems, whether it's ascending or descending order. Now, assertion isn't particularly an idea given to the basic sorting, that is ascending and descending, whether it been arranged particularly or not. So first of all, when assertion was done, it was being given to the linear search, then it is allotted to the location and the sorting portion, where the first element of the unsorted position should always be placed with different aspects of that. Okay, now moving forward to that, now if we forward all and move all the elements after the assertion location, which is the positional point, it is not given to the new element. Again with that, assertion sort does not need to know in any entire array or any advanced array to be get into this algorithm part. It has always been placed and without any redoing it. Okay, assertion sort is rather than giving the often practice, it is an efficient use that. Now, how algorithm works, or how assertion sort and algorithm works. So array is always been like partitioned into a sorted subarray and then unsorted subarrays. At the beginning, the sorted subarrays contains only first element of our original array that is given as elements in that. The first element is unsorted way. It is evaluated so that we can insert in to and fro method by placing while giving a proper place to the sorted subarrays. Now the assertion is done by all the movable part of the elements larger in the ascending or descending order. That depends upon the program. So there are only two steps to recognize, that is selecting, then to compare, shift and insert, nothing else. These are the 4 steps for like making an assertion sort in Python. First of all, selecting, then comparing, shifting and inserting. Okay, in the 2 loops, this is the only thing, shift and insert, shift and insert. Okay, now here's a very good example of giving assertion sort. This is just a pictorial representation of assertion sort for taking in elements in that. We took the elements, there are 6 elements we took that, and that is 85, 12, 59, 45, 72 and 51. Now again this has an program also. So now how we move this all elements over here. The final result of these all element is this. Okay, 12, 45, 51, 59, 72 and 81. Now how it reached to this element part, to this element. Okay, moving forward to that, Now these elements are there. Now it will be in ascending order. Now 85 is greater than all. Okay. Now what, when anything is greater to anything, it always make a right shift. Okay. Now 85 is on first position. Now it saw that 12 is smaller than 85 and 85 is greater than 12. Only one element will be moving and one element will be depriving. What had happened now, 85 saw like 12 as being smaller than me, it made a right shift. Okay, now 12 also needs some place to go with, so it will be coming to the first place as 85 shifted to the 12th place. Okay, now again while moving to 85 saw another element, that is 59, which is smaller than 85. It all again saw like I have to make a right shift because I am greater than 59. Again 59 took a place. Now again 85 took a place of 45. It saw like 45 is smaller than 85 and 85 is greater than 45. Again it make a right shift in that. 45 took the place of 85. Then what happened? Now the 45 saw like I am smaller than 59. I'm not bigger than 59. Yeah, I'm smaller than 85, but again I'm smaller than 59 also. So 59 shifted to 45's place and 45 shifted to 59 place. Okay, again 59 also make the right shift, although 85 had already made the right shift in that. Okay, now comes the ascending order of 12, 45, 59. Now these three elements saw like we got the position and now we are in ascending order also. Now again 85 took place of 72. 72 is less than 85. Now again it shifted to the place of 72 and 72 shifted to the place of 85 because it's smaller than actual number, that is 85. Again, now coming back to that, this is the actual turn for which the program has been handling. When 72 took the place of 85, again 85 saw 51 is smaller and 85 took the place of 51. Now 51 is smaller than 72 also and 59 also, both the number 72 and 59. Now what happened? At a moment it will make only one place changing. Okay, that is only 72. It will not directly go to 59 because at a moment it will only get one position. Okay, not any two or not any three. So what it happens, like 51 took the place of 72. 72 make a right shift, and again like when 51 did that, it saw like 59 it is greater than me and I am smaller than 59. Again 59 make a right shift in that and 59 begin to the actual place of 59. Now here how the ascending order of assertion sort of element has been set. Okay, 12, 45, 51, 59, 72 and 85, all the position are in ascending orders. Now comes is what is the cases comes up while we sort the elements in Python. So there is the two important concepts to be remembered, that is best case and the worst case. In the best case, the arrays are always been already been got sorted. We don't have to sort it again and again. But in this case, the assertion sort has a linear running time, and linear running time we apply a formula that is O n. Okay, and during each iteration, it means a repetition of each of the element. The remaining element of the input has always been compared with the rightmost element of the sorted subtraction. Okay, if the element has already been separated, it will not touch that. Okay, if the element is not, it will make the right shift at the properly comparables. Okay, another part is the worst case. Now what is worst case? So worst case is in an input as an array to be sorted out in a reverse order, like if the person if an element has been already got the iterations point in a loop, it will scan and it will shift to the entire sorted subsections. Okay, that how in this worst case we use the formula O n square. Now when we use the assertion sort, or what is the application of assertion sort? This is the method we generally use to deal with the small numbers like single threaded numbers or multi-threaded numbers, but not triple threaded. Okay, in application using and the mathematics, we generally used to get then what is the greater value or what is the smallest value in the HCF or LCM part. So that how we can use that. Let's move to some of the one of the program to use the assertion sort. Moving forward, so here is the Newton School Playground, Newton School IDE code editor. So just explain you like assertion sort is just in simple sorting algorithm that works with playing cards also in our hand. Now moving forward, to some of the program to write upon. It is the program for assertion sort. Okay, now let us define some assertion sort method. In this, we will start the looping, like for looping I in the range from 1 to length array. Okay, now how it will be generating the transverse proper length from 1 to arrays. Okay, now let's change the key method of it, like how the key method has to be changing of I. Okay, again, while moving forward to that, if we move the element from element to element, it will not ask me anything until or unless I have started doing the basic fundamentals. Okay, and the key values are also changed. It is the current position where I am being changing some key values or array. Okay, now again, if I've been writing the array conditions in the while loop again, oh sorry, okay, in the while loop again, the array will be okay, and for the j, if I am decreasing the value immediately, so what output I would getting it. Just take care of indentations. Take care of every indentations you are being using, because it is generally more of important than writing any of the value. I'm just declaring the numbers 12 comma 11 uh, just a second, 13 comma 5 comma 6. Let me just keep a space in that. Okay, now for printing a value, like I have to print the sorted value, sorted array. The sorted array would be equal to this part if I'll be using the double column also in the strings. Okay, now for I in the range, I have to get the length of what? I want to get the length of AR. Now I have to print my value. Like what the print I have to do is, I have to print the value in a particular sections. Okay, this is what we just generally compiled of. Okay, this is what generally compilation occur. Let's see the what is the output of this. So here is an output of the sorted array, that is 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. Okay, first of all we declare the assertion sort, that what the sorting is all about. Then we declare the ranging, that I want the range of 1 to the length of what my array is all about. Okay, and then key array, it's a starting loop or just an ending loop, or we continuing that. Okay, the transfer should be in the proper length. Okay, moving the element to the array, this is for the moving the element to the array up to 0, 1, 2, up to negative indexing. Okay, then we have to generate a time keys, or we have to generate the positive ahead keys. Okay, and after that the current position, what the current position is all about, and how it can be converting or contributing to the particular insertion sort. So here the output would be 5, 6, 11, 12 and 13. If in this only, if I just get that I should be equals to 5, I minus 5. Okay, so it will be giving me the every value to be 11. Like I would be my 11 positively in the excess sections. Okay, it is just, if I just write here 2, I is equals to 2. So it will be integrating in that, like 5, or then it will be 6, 11, 13 and 6. Okay, in the particular section it will be like listing out. I hope it's clear to you, the program is clear to you. Thank you.